today, I'll give you a simple example. And this is okay. This is just a random fact and a random thought of mine. You never really leave Real Madrid, okay? Even if you stop playing, even if you play for 1 year, and even if you are always known as ex-Real Madrid player anywhere you go, you have fans worldwide who will come up to you and say, "Oh, I saw you in Madrid. You were great." You have financial opportunities only because you have worn this badge and played for this badge. So you never leave. You may try to escape it. Like it was with Iker Casillas and all his Randi Rona he did. And now look who's back. Look who's trolling Batra on Instagram. Iker Casillas, the same guy who said, "I didn't deserve this, I didn't deserve that." He's back. Okay. Raul is back. Guti was here. Javi Alonso was here. Solari was here. Salgado was here. Now he's in Dubai. Roberto Carlos, Arbeloa, ambassadors of the game. Chendo is a team delegate. Guys, Google Chendo. Chendo is one of the biggest one-man guys of Real Madrid, right? So you never leave Real Madrid, which Bale doesn't seem to understand. He is willing to throw the whole president and the whole hierarchy. Point. You keep throwing, you can't throw the team or you can't throw the club that you've played for simply because you will always be, Bale's legacy is always linked to us and our legacy will always be linked to him. So you cannot throw us on the bus and say, "Oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, ye nahi acha hai, ye khane mein namak kam hai." Ye to bhai kya hai? You know, you don't. That is my point.
Zidane का second spell था, remember everyone, जब वापस आया था and Bale का issue start हुआ, प्री सीजन चल रहा था, Bale गया नहीं था, Bale गोल्फ खेल रहा था. I remember Zidane ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि अगर वो कल छोड़ रहा है तो आज छोड़ दे क्लब. Everyone agrees? तो फिर क्यों Bale से क्यों expect करते हो कि Bale भी उसकी इज्जत करे उतनी? And second thing, Bale was out, totally out. Chinese club में जा रहा था, deal हो गया था, सब हो गया था. Asensio got injured, and the next day Zidane is like, "I'm counting Bale."
No, you're wrong. You're wrong on that point.
That is dead.
Zidane did not block his move. Perez did because Asensio got injured.
Then it was Zidane's duty to let him go if he was not on his work.
Zidane का बाप का club है. Can I ask you guys a question? Except for Jitesh.
Yeah, sure.
So do you think it was a wrong move to let him go when we did? I'm always curious when, you know, because we criticize players, and to me, if you're not doing well, even if you're Zidane, and I love Zidane so much, you have to leave.
One second.
Do you think
if Zidane doesn't win a trophy, he is going?
Yeah. So do you know the criticism we're giving, and then people are like, "You're hating him." But in my head, it's like, you had your tricks. Your tricks are no longer working.
Yeah.
You know, 3 out of 6 years is not much. Leave. And then when you don't leave quietly, you leave with all these nakras and a drama.
But when he was leaving,
who are you?
But he's not left. We are still paying half his salary. He will.
Yes, paying half salary. He's on loan.
There's still a chance in 6 months he'll come back.
No, but that's what I'm saying. Like, and then you're doing all this drama. Who are you? Like, I'm sorry. This is a ground that has been played by the best of the best.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
तेरी औकात क्या है कि you are doing all this naughty?
Just a minute. If you remember, Ramos ने भी तो पीछे बोला था, I was close to join Manchester United. जितू भाई, you remember? Ramos ने भी बोला था, close to join Manchester United 1-2 साल पहले. वो भी छोड़ रहा था. तो उस पे क्यों इतना controversy नहीं आया? Why only on Bale? Everything only on Bale. Ronaldo went silently. उसने बोला final के बाद.
Key point. Silently.
Yeah.
After the final, we were celebrating and he just told, "I'm going. Fuck off." Mood खराब हो गया हम लोग का.
No, he didn't say fuck
why
off.
Why not on Cristiano?
Yeah. He didn't
no, I'm saying fuck off. After the final, why?
But
at least let us celebrate that.
Also, Baba, Bale
he's soft target.
Bale's agent also is a gandu. Bale's agent also keeps hyping him up and saying he's the best and this and that and blah and blah. भाई तेरा प्लेयर इतना ही अच्छा है तो बेच के दिखा ना, कौन खरीद रहा है उसको?
Do you guys consider Jitu and Dharak? Do you guys consider Bale as a flop signing?
No.
No, that's not the issue. Again,
तुम अपना एजेंडा चला रहे हो. ये ना.
We've never said that.
मैं
सब
पूछ
साले
रहा हूँ,
कलकत्ता वाले ना अर्नब
गोपाल,
गोस्वामी टाइप
ये
हो गए
कैसा
हैं।
गजब सा क्वेश्चन था।
मैं पूछ
5
रहा हूँ।
साल की मेहनत को इन लोग 2 साल
ये
के
थोड़ा
परफॉर्मेंस
सही
से कंपेयर
क्वेश्चन
कर रहे हैं.
नहीं था।
मैं see, it was my place to ask because you told James is a flop signing क्योंकि he is a phenomenal player and he did
Yeah.
not succeed.
For Real Madrid, yes. For Real Madrid, he didn't. He
I agree.
a player
I'm
of
wrong.
80
Bale
million.
succeeded. I'm agreeing. He succeeded.
Yeah.
He did. You, as you said, the stats. However,
Yeah.
you can't consider someone with just stats as legend. That's the
Yeah.
problem with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
इस
And
बात
I
सबको
still
जान
What do
think
you
लो।
he's
expect from
overrated.
80 million price tag? What do you expect? Do you expect a World Cup? What do you
Yes.
expect more? What do you expect
Yeah.
more?
Do
So we
expect
won.
more
You
than-
won
UCL,
three
what do
World
you
I
expect
expect
more?
We won 3
consistency.
club World Cups.
No,
I
एक बात
expect
जान लो
he
consistency.
सबको।
won. So what do you expect more from him?
Consistency.
80 million plus. He was just last 1-2 season was bad.
Then it's
But
not
it's okay.
consistent, man. That's
We
not
are
the
still,
definition of consistency.
but we are still keeping Hazard. As an example, I'm giving you. Hazard is
Yeah,
not
but
performing.
am I saying Hazard is a legend?
No, but we are giving him some time. Whenever he's coming back, he's starting, he's benching Vinicius or
The
anyone, I
less
don't
we
know.
talk about
And
Hazard
he-
is even better. I have more
Yeah,
issues
yeah,
with
please.
him than Bale.
Please.
हाँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को लगता है कि ये जो टाइटल जिस पे हम लोग डिबेट कर रहे हैं ना, ये टाइटल थोड़ा सा विचित्र है क्योंकि लेजेंड वर्ड जो है ना बहुत भारी वर्ड है। इस पे एग्री करना इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि नहीं है, बस अब नहीं है। इसका ना ये होना चाहिए टाइटल कि क्या बेल इतना हेट डिजर्व करता है जितना उसको मिल रहा है, समझे?
जी
यही रख देंगे।
समझे आप?
हाँ तो बोलो।
यही रख
जी।
देंगे।
समझा.
Was Ronaldo Nazario not injury prone during his time at Madrid?
हैं? क्या?
Towards the end, he was. Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Yeah.
मैं
Of
आई
course he
कांट
was.
हियर, फिर से रिपीट करो ना।
No, Ronaldo Nazario क्या injury prone नहीं था during his time at Madrid?
था.
Yeah,
Okay.
he was.
During the later seasons,
World
right?
Cup जीता ना.
During the later seasons, right?
Of course.
So
Gandu World Cup
why-
होता है.
why
but
this?
World Cup
No,
जीता तो
why this?
Madrid
Why
का
this
legend है.
दोगलापना क्यों? उसके इंजरी में
That's
उसकी
the
गलती
point.
नहीं है, उसकी
Yes.
गलती नहीं है, बट इसकी इंजरी में इसकी गलती है। इनको
No.
गलती है.
Why
Hold
that?
on. We didn't say it's his. We didn't say that getting injured is the issue. It's coming back. I feel like he distracted again. As I said, I feel like he distracted himself. Like he took that as an excuse.
Okay. Let me tell what happened during the.
Okay. Let's about Ronaldo, the original phenomenon. He had a couple of great seasons. Then we had that superb decline where we won nothing. Where one season Figo left us, the next season Zidane left. I mean, Figo, Ronaldo, Zidane, they all left. They left, and then Beckham left us in the end. So Ronaldo phenomenon did not. He was not playing well, or he was overweight, or he was not fit. He did not create the kind of negativity or the kind of animosity that Bale created when it's the stink you create. Okay, you as a if you look at the list of Real Madrid players, even from the academy, there are very few one club players we have, because as soon as the player declines, Real Madrid has a idea. His boss, you go, you get a better paycheck, whether you're Raul, whether you're Hierro, whether you're Salgado, whether you're anybody, whether you're even Di Stefano, whether you're even Puskás, people leave the club. It's the stink you create when you leave is the issue with Bale. Everyone leaves.
So when I say there are like huge parallels between Ronaldo, the original Ronaldo and Bale's career, Madrid career, will you agree with me? Great impact at the start and slow decline. Or you won't agree?
That's a gross. What do you call it? A gross.
Bale was better.
No. Wait.
Nahin.
Saj, एक minute.
Simplification. That's a very
No.
simplistic way of putting it.
Okay. I'll tell one more point. Great at the start, both of them. Great impact. Slowly declining, becoming injury prone and inconsistent towards the end of their careers. Right? Are these three parallels you observe between them?
Yeah.
Agree or no?
Okay.
Just one word answer.
I feel like you can generalize that with most players, though.
No. We cannot generalize that with Ronaldo. Can't do that with Raul.
Well,
I
but you're
guess.
only talking about Madrid, right? Like I feel like, but in a
Madrid
career
career.
of most
No,
players,
I'm talking about I'm talking about their respective Madrid careers. Yeah. Do you agree with that parallel?
They
between
have
both
three
of them?
similarities that we agree to, huh?
Yeah.
That in footballing sense, that is a huge parallel, right? They have both had kind of the same curve with Madrid. I'm saying.
But Bale won more.
Yeah.
In all
One more.
fairness,
But Ronaldo's injury was actually towards the end of his actual career as well, if you think about it. I don't think Bale's career is over. I honestly think he's capable of having a really good career with the Spurs.
Yeah, with Spurs.
He'll come back in 6
The
months.
Premier League.
He'll come back
No,
in 6 months.
and let's say
Matta,
Yeah,
Udari, please.
look,
निकल लौड़े
the issue with. I don't
Don't
think
welcome.
that when somebody is even and like my favorite players right now, like have for a very long time in Madrid have been Sergio Ramos and Benzema. But even then, if somebody told me Benzema has to be sold 2 seasons ago, with a hat drop, he was not performing. We do not need that kind of nonsense. I will support him wherever he goes.
But as long as we can replace him, I don't want to say anybody if we can't
No,
replace
no,
him.
I'm just saying,
We're
and
just
yeah, with
selling
a good
players.
replacement. No,
We are
with a good replacement.
we're sending our best young players on loans here, loans there.
Yeah. No,
Matlab,
but let's say like Ramos, we have to look for a replacement that he can, and I think they should play with him so he can train them. I think Ramos brings a cohesiveness in the team that I haven't seen in a while.
what I would want to say is Real Madrid is when you play for Real Madrid, it's a professional contract. It is one of the most professional clubs in the world, rightfully or wrongfully. सही हो गलत हो मुझे नहीं मालूम, पर हम ये समझते हैं कि हमसे बड़ा कोई है नहीं और तेरी हम औकात नहीं मेरे सामने. This is the vibe of Real Madrid. Okay, rightfully wrongfully मुझे नहीं मालूम, पर ये ऐसा है. अगर तू हिस्ट्री देखेगी, हर कैप्टन, हर कोच, हर प्लेयर हमेशा जब उसका डिक्लाइन होता है, we also don't pay really well, which is why अभी ये सर्जियो रामोस का भी लफड़ा हो रहा है. We are not good pay masters. हम ये बैच का हम as in the club ये बैच का full इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि boss, we are letting you play for the biggest club in the world. There are 25 players who play for the biggest club in the world. You are one of them. So you will have other opportunities to make money, to make fan, to have whatever, to do other things in life.
Endorsements.
Yeah, exactly. Also, which we take 50%, but because anyway, that's another point. The point is that with the decline of Marcelo, it is better for him that he leaves and goes to a club. Because see, जब कोई भी player Real Madrid छोड़ के जाता है, like now Bale is going to Tottenham, Raul went to Schalke. All these players, when they leave and they go to sorry to say this, a smaller club than Real Madrid, the fans of the smaller club just like, oh my God, Real Madrid legend is here. They just completely fall in love with that player. They get fans love there, they get legendary status there. जो उनको यहाँ पे नहीं मिलता है, वो because यहाँ पे खेल चुके वो वहाँ पे मिलता है उनको. So ये Real Madrid, मैं सही है गलत है मुझे नहीं मालूम, like I'm saying, but ये Real Madrid का तरीका है. You play till your peak, and when you stop playing at your peak, then तुम side में हो जाओ और फिर तुम एक साल bench पे रहो. Like Raul, when Ronaldo came, 1 year Raul was on the bench. The next year Raul, Guti both buzzed off. We didn't give Raul or Guti a send off. A lot of people say, oh, आप send off नहीं देते हो, आप ये नहीं करते हो, वो नहीं करते हो. अरे भाई, season के बाद coach change हुआ. हम लोग we were going for a pre-season tour to the US. You are going to call everyone back and say, let's play this thing. But then Raul came back. Guti came back. But if you look at it as एक line, अगर आप देखो, Raul और Guti, the first 2 captains of Real Madrid left in one summer. So Fernando Hierro contract was not renewed after winning a league. So ये पागलपना है. I agree with you, but ये Real Madrid.
बट हम जब इन सब की बात करते हैं तो हम सबकी बात प्रोफेशनली करते हैं. मतलब प्रोफेशनली जब अगर अच्छा नहीं खेला तो हम उसको छोड़ देंगे. तो अगर हम प्रोफेशनली देख रहे हैं तो बेल रियल मैड्रिड का लेजेंड है, क्योंकि प्रोफेशनली उसने हर एक चीज दिया है. जो भी हेटेड उसको मिल रहा है वो उसको इमोशनली या उसका जो भी ये अटैचमेंट ऑफ वो जो भी किया उसके लिए कर रहा है. बट अगर प्रोफेशनली देखे तो रियल मैड्रिड का लेजेंड है बेल, क्योंकि उसने किया है प्रोफेशनली, उसने दिलवाया ट्रॉफीज.
Yeah, I don't know. I disagree with
काम तो
saying
किया
he's a
बंदे
legend.
नहीं.
बंदे ने
Just
काम
from
तो
his
किया.
goals.
Samakshi got you both there because if that's the dichotomy I'm talking about again and again. If it's a profession and if it's a job, then few players have succeeded as much at their job as Bale has.
Yeah, but there are a lot of people who are good at their job, but they're not CEOs because they're not charismatic enough. You can't also just oversimplify
how-
like that.
No, why does charisma matter? It's not a beauty contest.
Because
it's a football
that's
club.
no. Okay, first of all, I don't mean it's low, but because to be a legend, you have to bring a lot of things on the table. As you said, you have to have 10 fingers dipped in.
Okay.
बट अभी जब इन सब पे आप लोग प्रोफेशनली बात करते हो तो फिर इस लेजेंड में भी आप प्रोफेशनली बात
Yeah.
करो ना,
Professionally
फिर
बात
इसमें
करो,
क्यों
that's the
अरे?
point.
I concede.
Okay, I agree. We do
Very
flip
good,
flop on
Samikshya.
that.
I concede this point to you. You win, Samakshi ji. आप जीते ही आगे.
Shamakshi,
ये
good
point
one.
पे आप agree.
Thank you.
He
That
got
I
you
agree,
both
yeah.
on
Yeah.
that. Now coming on the flip side,
Totally
अब pro बेल वाले लोग को आंसर करना पड़ेगा. Do you not think कि बेल का ड्रामा एंड बेल के इतने हेट में उसका 50% कंट्रीब्यूशन था?
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ
हाँ.
ज्यादा
You agreed with
मुझसे
that?
ज्यादा था.
agree. हाँ,
Okay.
किया.
Right. Next question. That was too easy. You didn't even defend.
Yeah, ये क्या था? थोड़ा.
Okay, no, ठीक है. अब ये बताओ, should he have left earlier? Because for me, I think he stayed a little bit too late. जब उसने उस दिन बोला चैंपियंस लीग कीव में कि मैं जा रहा हूं, तो फुटो
निकल लौड़े.
तुमने देखा कि रोनाल्डो जा रहा है, अब मेरे को स्टार बनने का टाइम
Yeah.
मिलेगा, and then you did not deliver. ठीक है, तो should he have left? Do you think he stayed too long? Why did not leave at a high like Ronaldo did?
Actually, he always wanted to be like CR7, but
Okay.
CR7 एक ही है. उसको वही साल जाना चाहिए था. I agree. He stayed. उसने सोचा कि अच्छा मौका है, मैं खुद को स्टार बना दूं, बेस्ट बना दूं. वो नहीं डिलीवर कर पाया.
That's not
उस
the
स्टेज के बाद से.
that's
उसको
not
जाना
the
चाहिए
only
था.
that's not the only sin he committed. Thing is, तुमने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया, ठीक है, जब मैड्रिड फैंस started warming up to you again, and then you fucking went and said कि I'm not getting time here, I'll talk to my agent. What the fuck? Why would you talk to your agent? You just scored 2 goals. Why are you mellowing the high of the fans and the club at the time when you have won 13th UCL, right? And after that, he had the audacity to not leave the summer.
Yeah.
तो तेरा उस पे क्या बोलना है?
But when he was actually going, तो फिर क्यों रोका उसको? वो मूवी रोकना नहीं चाहिए था.
don't talk about that. This is one
Okay,
season earlier.
Okay, ठीक है.
This is one season earlier. He should have
एक
left.
चीज बराबर. Agree. To be honest, मुझे लगा कि बेल जाएगा. I never expected कि रोनाल्डो जाएगा या जिडान जाएगा. But वो दो गए, ये रुक गया चुकी है. तो वो गलत था. उसको जाना चाहिए था. जब उसने
Right.
बोल दिया I am going, मतलब खत्म. अगर I said I am leaving this thing, so I am leaving. That's it. वो I agree.
समझ हाँ बोलो.
एक हारता हुआ गेम भी अगर 90 मिनट्स में भी अगर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिलता है तभी भी हम लोग क्यों टीवी के सामने बैठे होते हैं कि यार अभी गोल पड़ जाएगा, शायद अभी हम जीत जाएंगे. जब रोनाल्डो छोड़ा तो आपका क्वेश्चन ये था ना कि तो उसी टाइम पे वो उतने हाई पे क्यों नहीं छोड़ दिया. वो खेला, भले उसने उतना अच्छा नहीं दे पाया अपना, तो बट ये वो जो लास्ट मिनट का जो होता है ना कि यार शायद मैं अच्छा कर सकता, शायद मेरी टीम अच्छा खेले, शायद गोल पड़ जाए, तो हो सकता है उसने ये भी सोचा होगा कि शायद मेरा भी गेम प्ले अच्छा बने. मैं रियल मैड्रिड के लिए हूँ, मैं प्लेयर हूँ यहाँ का, तो मैं खेल के जाऊं, अच्छा खेल के जाऊं.
Fair enough. ठीक है.
अपना खुद का लेगेसी बिना रोनाल्डो के बनाऊं.
He wanted to make his own legacy, but
सोचा
it
होगा,
flopped.
बनाने की कोशिश किया
I
होगा.
guess that's so.
और दूसरा एक और पार्ट ये, भले उसको वहां पे इतना हेट्रेड मिल रहा हो, तो बट कहीं ना कहीं वो इतने साल मैड्रिड से रहा है, उसको डिटैच करने में हो सकता है कि होगा कुछ अंदर में.
But do you not think कि that was the point? He should have revamped his love for Madrid because that was a high. उसके बाद अगर he did not say that thing कि मैं छोड़ देगा, मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, तो fans would have started warming up again to him because he scored 2 insane goals for Madrid in the Champions League. Why did he went like? Why does he not deserve the stick that he got from the media after the shenanigans or the publicity stunt that he pulled after the UCL
होती है
final?
किसी को चुलपनी मारने की होती है. अच्छा क्या चल रहा था, खुद ही मारने की चुल थी.
So basically you agree.
उड़ता
Basically you
थी.
agree. ठीक है.
No, I think
I'm holding a question. I
just want to say this. It's also your ecosystem, right? If your agent and if your close people like are like just fueling your own ideas and not being in touch with reality, then you'll only be like, oh, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Right?
Like, look at his bestie. Modric is doing okay.
Yeah.
They both came
Right.
from the same place.
Yeah.
Like, I love Modric, and I still think if I compare on paper, Bale is, obviously edges him out, but still I don't think he's as great as Modric if I compare him throughout the Madrid thing. So, but that's what I'm saying. When we compare certain things, it's not just about goals. We compare certain things to legends. We're not. Look, I hate everyone equally. I hate the club half the days. And again, I completely concede, and this is why I love seeing new fans. I feel like they bring me back to loving and calm down the cynicism. But I think when you say we're not allowed to criticize, that's where the problem comes. We get a lot of hate from English clubs and English media that, oh, you're criticizing our players, you're criticizing this. Yeah, but if they deserve it, like,
नहीं, so
they're not
that
playing
is
for Mumfali here.
that is shit. ये अपने घर का मामला है. इंग्लैंड
One
वाले
second.
कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
Who is playing Who is playing for Mumfali?
But that's the thing, when you have 85 million, you're not, I can't give you the same. Again, you built me up so much. I can't, when you made me fall, I can't give you the same love again. The cracks are always there.
Yeah, true.
And I think that's in the dressing room too, with how the other players have started to feel about him.
Yeah.
Some of the toxicity comes from just like, again, just thinking, you're so involved that you remove the human out of the player and you just put a player. And so it's both ways. But then also when somebody is going to be a little chutia like that and fan the flames, so all of us are going to burn, but you'll burn first.
Yeah.
I love the way you said
That-
chutia.
Chutia like that and
That's the problem with like negativity. It just spreads so quickly. You know what I mean? So it's just like everyone wants to believe the worst.
But emotions are so high too, right?
Yeah. No, but like positive emotions, you're only happy for like 5 seconds. Oh, great, he scored. We have a drink. We have a shot. Oh,
No,
cheers! Wow.
I'll let you in a secret. If somebody from an opposing team told me that Bale is shit, I think I have 2 pages. 2 pages of saying, hey, hello. Calm yourself. And then after a while, I'd be like, I agree, he should have left. He was not good. But that's the thing, right? But
Yeah.
when you're talking to your own members,
People.
you want the best, so you start expecting the best, that you kind of sometimes forget that even when they give the best, is it enough? No, to me, no. Like in a stint of that, you have to sort of reach that sort of perfection for me.
I'll bring this back to Bale topic with the interesting question.
अभी हो गया ना अभी और
अरे
कितना
एक सेकंड
Done now.
बीवी है क्या उसकी
last
Bale,
You
Bale,
should
Bale.
have been Bale's agent.
last
He wouldn't have got this much hate.
last and this is just to the old guard because हम लोग का print matter नहीं
Because हम तो सारे चूतिए हैं. Because हम तो सारे चूतिए.
नहीं no we can't say the same maybe after
For
10 years
5 minutes we've been putting ourselves down. This is how we are
No.
now. Even ourselves are toxic
Basically-
too.
Jitu Bhai and Dhara is Amit Shah and Narendra Modi right now.
Hey,
wait
Ben.
wait yeah
Not
How
that
dare you?
thing.
I'll do anything
Allah
if you want to compare me.
so Jitu Bhai and Dhara
पास करना तू क्या मारता है यार
Jitu Bhai and
I'll
Dhara,
tell you.
how much do you think of the Bale controversy that attributed to social media, and how it is now
Oh.
with respect to how it was when Ronaldo was not performing or when Beckham was not performing? क्या उस टाइम पे इस तरह का social media and fan following होता है तो same toxic behavior बनता है?
Actually, I think Bale got lucky. Because
Why?
let me tell you something. With the older people, the narrative was completely with what printed paper or forum boards were, right? And it was a little harder for it to spread. So the negativity I found festered a little more than the positivity. So they really had to come into the game harder. Where now, you have people like Sam, you have people like Saj who are like completely shutting down these points, right? Whenever something like this comes up. So there are people who vehemently loves Bale as well. So everybody is getting a talking point. And then, when certain illogical points come up and logical points come up, you can be blinded by your hate, but then you can't, deep down, you have to agree. Like, as I said, I do agree with some of the points, right? So I find that social media, it spreads the fire, but also the putting out gets that fast. Because again, if somebody from Barca told me anything about Bale, do you think I'm going to sit around saying, yeah, shit, Madrid? No, nah.
Kallas. No,
Dangal.
I
No,
have a
but that's
different opinion
my
to this.
opinion. Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I
have
know
a
you
different
will.
opinion of this because I'll tell you why. If you look at this whole flag controversy that we spoke about, right? Where did this quote? Where did this come from? You know, golf, Wales, and Madrid. This quote came from Pedra Mijatovic, which was in a newspaper article that he said that according to me, this was an opinion of a ex Real Madrid player who said, ki, according to me, Bale's priorities are Wales, golf, and then Madrid. That got spiraled out because everyone latched onto it and everyone retweeted it and everyone सबके दिमाग में ये हो गया, and that just spiraled out into this flag, which became a joke. This would have never happened in normal, without Twitter, without social
Print
media,
media.
without
Exactly.
without Bale stan fans. Fuck you. Sorry, I shouldn't say it.
Say it.
Don't stand your player, stand your club, please. But I'm saying that social media really took that
You're
one
right.
quote of a rant of, okay, I mean, if like, I'm sure Sam and Saj don't even know who Mijatovic is. You know, who the hell is this guy? You know?
100%.
So they're like, ये कौन है ये बुड्ढा, ये क्यों बोल रहा है ये बेल के बारे में, कौन है? So they were not, but the fact that was picked up, that quote was picked up, so it just became this whole toxic thing. But yeah, so
It's
yeah, I
definitely
don't
the
think so.
Britney
I
Spears
don't.
song.
To answer your question, Gopal, no, I don't think it would have. I don't think back in the day it would have spread that much. But also, what social media has done is given players an outlet, because back in the day,
Yes.
players would hardly speak, dude. You know,
Yes.
fans of players would hardly speak. Players would be shush. But because social media is there, it's kind of even
It's
the
humanized them.
yeah, it's even the
उसका
balance.
वाइट
Please.
तो मैं इस पे सम अप करना चाहूंगी, जो ये वर्ड लेजेंड है ना, मेरे लिए ये वर्ड इसलिए बहुत ज्यादा डीप है क्योंकि एक इंसान को एक अच्छा फुटबॉलर के साथ होने के साथ साथ एक अच्छा मेंटल, बोलते हैं ना, मेंटालिटी रखनी चाहिए. अगर हम देखें बेल को एज अ प्रोफेशनल, एज अ प्लेयर, यस ही इज अ लेजेंड, बट फॉर मी लेजेंड इज कि अगर उसको वो प्रेशर मिल रहा है तो वो उस प्रेशर को ओवरकम करना जानता हो. अगर उसको इतना हार्ड टाइम है क्लब पे, बट वो लोगों को, दूसरे को लेट डाउन करके खुद को, मतलब खुद का गेम ऐसा बना करके, जो रोनाल्डो इतना मोटिवेशन देता है, बोलते हैं ना मोटिवेटेड, अगर वो खुद में मोटिवेटेड रहता, अगर वो टीम को ऐसा मोटिवेटेड रखता, तो हाँ, वो मेरे स्टैंडर्ड का लेजेंड मैच करता. ही इज अ लेजेंड एज अ प्लेयर, यस ही इज अ लेजेंड, बट एज इमोशनली बोले तो एक लेजेंड में वो जो मेंटालिटी होनी चाहिए, वो इतना, बोलते ना कि दम होना चाहिए कि यार कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो हो रहा है, मैं नेक्स्ट डे उठूंगा और मैं इसको बीट करके अपना बेस्ट दूंगा. बट ये बेल कहीं ना कहीं पे लैग किया, तो वो उस स्टैंडर्ड के लेजेंड को मैच नहीं कर पाया. बट हाँ, गेम प्ले उसका बहुत अच्छा था. इंजरीज अगर हटा दे तो ही इज अ लेजेंड. वो बहुत अच्छा है एंड आई लव हिम. बस उसको हेट मत करो, सालों बहुत
Famous last word, Sam.
Famous last word.
Absolutely.
You win, Sam.
Absolutely
Yeah.
convinced with that. You're totally right.
Please don't hate him.
Look,
Agreed.
hate
Yeah.
might be a wrong word, but I will never stop criticizing or disliking players,
criticize
and my mind will change. That's just, again, as I said, we come with baggage. I will open it and be like, hurt, depression, anxiety. come, chalo, sab saath mein dekhte hain.
If he comes back,
क्रिटिसाइज करने से प्लेयर अच्छा ही बनता है. क्रिटिसाइज अच्छा है, बट वो जो हेट है ना, जो मैड्रिस्ट अंदर भर के रखे ऐसे अपने में, वो पेरी है, वो हराम जादा
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
इतना हराम लड़का है वो चुप ही नहीं बैठता.
बॉम्बे आके तो चमाट दे.
जो बेल को हेट करते हैं.
if Bale
Huh?
comes back,
Raj.
will you give him a chance? Just last question.
Dude, I'm
No.
not even
Yeah?
giving this team a chance. तू मेरा बेल की बात कर रहा है.
Comes back, a chance
विनीशियस
for him.
जूनियर को देखने के बाद यस.
Look, at this point, I'll take anybody. I'll give anybody a chance to come and help us. I want our team to move forward. I feel like we're starting to go in a ditch, and I want us to stop the momentum of going into that ditch. And again, everything aside, if Bale came back and proved me wrong, He's proved me wrong. What am I going to say? I'm not illogical.
Anybody who helps the team is welcome. You know, Hindi में कहावत है, आए तो
बहुत ज्यादा।
welcome, जाए तो भीड़ कम.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Beckham, Guti, Di Ronaldo, their names, Zidane, their names on the field would create something in an opposition team. Till somebody like him can do that, I don't think they're legend in my head. He's a great player. I'll concede to that 100%. You know, I will concede that those were great points made by that. But and if he comes back and he does it, we'll see. We'll see. I'm stubborn. We'll see.
Off होना चाहिए basically मतलब सामने वाले में.
Yeah.
Hop.
So it is what it is. It is what it is.
और बेंजेमा का भी नहीं अभी तो.
I didn't call him a legend yet.
हाँ?
बेंजेमा का
चलो जीतू
I
भाई
said I love him. There's a difference between my love and then him becoming a legend. That's how I thought
Yeah.
there would be a lot of players. It would be great.
we'll finally wrap this up the discussion with Hala Madrid. Okay, so 3, 2,
Yep.
1. Hala Madrid.
Hala Madrid!
One
Yeah,
love.
yeah, yeah.
One love, one love.
Only
One love, one club, one family.
But Chumo bhai, Chumo is
Chumo!
Guys,
Yeah, yeah. Or else Sam would say bailed in Chumo. You didn't Chumo, so now you're bailed.